day my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. Hope we're having an amazing day. Freestyle today, we're back with the next video, but it's some motorsport kind of day today. I'm having a problem with my car and I'm gonna fix it. So in case someone watching this video have the same problem, he or she will have an idea how to fix the problem. So somewhere along the line you're going to have this issue that I'm about to fix on my car. So I was just on the highway guys and I saw something just flash on my dashboard which says this is the last thing you would want to see guys on your car, that's especially a BMW having oil leak or oil problem or anything like that, because you know these engines are very sensitive. So I'm gonna do a quick fix for you guys, because as simple as it is, if you should take it to the shop to have it fixed, it will probably cost you an arm and a leg, which at the same time it's a simple fix. So just stick and stay guys. In the meantime guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button, join the freestyle movement. Now I'm gonna go in the car guys and I'm gonna start the process. So guys, now I'm in the car as you can see. Now I'm gonna show you what is going on. All right, so guys, this light right here is the warning light. All right, so we're about to go ahead and fix the problem. First you want to go guys on your iDrive and you want to go into menu. After you go into menu, you're gonna go to vehicle information. Then after you go to vehicle information, you're gonna go to vehicle status. It will show on the screen engine oil level at minimum. Please add 1 liter of engine oil. Now guys, first and foremost you want to check the level of the oil first, because even though it says that the oil is low, it could be a case where the sensor is bad and the sensor is giving a wrong reading. So first and foremost you want to go ahead and you want to check your oil to make sure that you're actually getting the right reading. All right, so to check the oil level guys, right, you want to go here and you want to measure the oil. Alright, so you want to ensure that your vehicle is on a flat surface and the engine has to be running. Then you're going to go press on this right here, and then you want to scroll to start measurement, and you're going to measure the oil. So while you measure the oil guys, make sure you don't rev the engine or anything like that. As you can see, it's counting down. And guys, as I said before, you don't want to just go ahead and put the oil in the car, because it could cause from several other reasons. It could be the case where the car have a bad oil sensor, right, and the car is giving you wrong reading. And the last thing you want to do guys is to put too much oil in your BMW engine. That will cost your engine. So you make sure you measure the oil first, and then if the oil is low, then you go ahead and you add the oil. So as you can see, it's counting down now, and we're almost there, 100%. Now let's see what happened. Now it should be at max, and as you can see it is at min. So what I'll be doing now guys, I'm going to get a quart of oil as it says, and I'm going to pour it in it, and then we're going to do a next check and see if the problem is solved. So in the meantime guys, just like, share, comment. If you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button, join the movement. And guys, keep in mind that these cars don't bring a dipstick, so you have to do the measurement on the iDrive. So we are now going to add the oil. So that's it, guys. After adding the oil now, guys, I'm going to start up the car, and we're going to do a next measurement, and hopefully the problem will be fixed. So stay tuned, guys, and remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, just hit the subscription button. So it's now time for me to go ahead now, guys, and try to see if the problem is resolved. So just wish me luck. So now we're going to start up, guys, and we're going to make a next check to see if the problem has been resolved. So you're gonna go back to vehicle status, and then start engine oil measure, start measurement, and it's counting down again. And guys, as simple as it is, something like this, if you should go to the mechanic, it is gonna cost you a few bucks, trust me. So stuff like these, guys, are stuff that you could actually do yourself. It is not hard, as you can see, it's very easy, but sometimes to know is to know. And if you don't know, these mechanics just smile when they see you and they rip you off. So I hope this video is of some help to you. If you should come across this problem in the future, you will be able to fix it yourself and save yourself some money. So we're at 92, 94, going down. So the problem is now fixed, guys. Engine oil level okay. So simple fix, and as you can see, it moved from minimum and it is now at maximum. So the problem is fixed. So as I said before, guys, if you should go to the mechanic, not even the mechanic, if you should go to the dealer for this, it will run you probably like about $700 the least, because first and foremost they're gonna charge you $300 just to find out what is the problem, and then they're gonna charge you for the oil, and then they're gonna charge you for the labor, which is about $280 an hour for the labor. So right there and then, fast and quick, you're gonna spend a fast $800 for something just like this at the dealer. If you should go to a local mechanic now, it will run you probably like about $300, and all it cost me was $11, a quart of engine oil, and the problem is fixed. So sometimes to know is to know, guys. Your problem when you comes across something like this while driving your BMW, it's a simple fix, as you can see, guys, but at the same time it's a problem that could cost you a couple bucks, and as you can see, it cost me only $11. And as I said before, sometimes to know is to know. So until next time, guys, catch you in the next one. Freestyle. and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.